Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program. It is Wednesday, March 14th of 2012, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. But before we get into some technical analysis, I would really like to apologize to all of you out there for me not being able to be here with you on Monday and Tuesday. I've been struggling with a pretty bad cough, and this is just killing me, but at least I have my voice back so I can talk to you. Yeah, so that's good. Anyways, hopefully I get better soon. But anyways, yeah, let's take a look at our chart and let's analyze it here so that you know exactly what's happening. Check this out. Look at this little doji here at support. Right, we have that little doji here at support last week, and we have it on a pretty nice volume, with the MACD still going down. And the next day, what happened here is the MACD pointed higher here again on a pretty nice volume as well. Not really significant because we are still below the average, but still nice. Okay, and then what else we see here is that low doji was confirmed right the next day. What I mean by that is that we broke through the high of the doji, which was at the 63.72, and then we also closed above it. So that meant that low doji was confirmed, and we also filled that gap here from the day before. Okay, and then the very next day, look what we see here. Boom! We are breaking through the 8 moving average, and we're closing the day above it. So we are still back in a bullish territory at this point, but where? At resistance, right? That is a significant area of resistance, which we talked about here for quite a while, which was at about the 64.70 mark. So we just closed the day right at the 64.70 mark, and then the next day and the day after, we stopped here at this area of resistance. We actually closed the day higher, and that resistance area became support. We bounced off of it once, and then the second time here the next day, and finally we broke out of that low base that we formed here for 2 days, and now we are continuing higher with making higher highs and higher lows. So what we need to do tomorrow, we need to pay close attention to the high of today, 66.74, which is a new high, and we're making it on a pretty significant volume. Okay, so that's very important, and the MACD is still rising, which is a good sign, which is a really nice bullish sign here. So pay close attention to that, because if we ever go higher, we would first of all have to break through the high of 66.74 and then close above it. And from then on, we could continue higher. Okay, but if we instead decided to pull back down a little bit, you need to watch that area of resistance, of support, actually right here at about 65.09, as well as the 8 moving average, which is here in green, and it's at the 64.93. Okay, so that's what you need to pay close attention to. And then the other thing is the MACD. Pay really close attention to this guy, because it's really important for you to do. All right, and look for confirmation. And volume, keep your eye on the volume and make sure that we are trading on a pretty nice volume in here. Right now we have bars that are above the average, which is nice. That's what I like to see. But if we get a little bit below the average, then keep your eyes open, okay? And look for some tradable setups if we have any, and look also for confirmation on the MACD. All right, yeah, so that's all that I have for you for today. Hope it helps you.